Cyber threats don't wait for business hours. Today's adversaries operate at a global scale, running automated sweeps to find network weaknesses in seconds. This chart tracks a specific catalyst starting in July 2026, when CISA flagged a severe Microsoft SharePoint deserialization flaw. Immediately after identification, the data shows a surge in active exploits in the wild. Organizations typically rely on internal vulnerability scans that take days to complete. Meanwhile, attackers use automated bots to hunt down exposed SharePoint servers in a matter of hours. These automated scans focus on finding forgotten, unpatched systems that have fallen out of the view of standard IT oversight. Modern enterprise security now requires a continuous effort to outpace this external reconnaissance, matching the speed and scale of the attackers. Traditional vulnerability management tools struggle in this environment because their architecture relies entirely on what the organization already knows. This diagram shows the inside-out problem. A central hub connects to known nodes, leaving grayed-out shadow IT nodes invisible to legacy tools. When a developer leaves a test SharePoint environment online, that hidden node remains live and unprotected. Since internal tools have no record of this test server, it gets bypassed during standard security audits, leaving it entirely exposed to the public internet. To secure a modern perimeter, organizations must look beyond their internal blueprints. Adversaries map networks exactly as they appear from the outside in. ThreatNG addresses this blind spot through connectorless external visibility. It acts as an unauthenticated scout, mimicking an adversary's outside-in perspective. The platform operates without requiring installed agents or internal permissions to discover unmanaged software and shadow cloud environments. This map traces external traffic routing through DNS nodes, pinpointing an unmanaged hidden SharePoint instance. ThreatNG uses this intelligence to uncover infrastructure across the digital supply chain. By analyzing incoming HTTP responses, ThreatNG inspects a server's headers to identify software versions and missing security controls. Connectorless discovery removes the guesswork of asset management, revealing the attack surface exactly as an attacker sees it. Finding a vulnerability is only the first step. Relying on static severity scores creates cluttered dashboards full of theoretical risks that may never be exploited. This dynamic scorecard from the DarChain vulnerability repository evaluates a single flaw across 4 metrics: base severity, CISA KEV status, exploitation probability, and active proof of concept status. For the SharePoint flaw, available public exploit code spikes the active POC axis, confirming the threat is imminent. This multi-dimensional scoring allows security teams to prioritize verified threats that require immediate intervention. ThreatNG takes this data further with the DarChain methodology, which connects a discovered external exposure to its specific business consequence. This flowchart tracks weaponization. First, adversaries scrape deprecated servers, extracting forgotten PDFs to find embedded credentials. Second, scanners exploit missing content security policies, facilitating script injections that cause session hijacking. Finally, attackers can register abandoned active DNS records for a complete subdomain takeover. The DarChain methodology shifts security from managing isolated software bugs to neutralizing the specific paths a breach would take. This immediate visibility into external assets turns a multi-day manual discovery process into a single, verifiable map of the current attack surface. Managed security service providers use this capability to audit a new client's external SharePoint exposure on day 1, without the friction of agent setup or API requests. Legal and M&A teams use this same intelligence during due diligence to identify inherited external risks before a merger is finalized. Connectorless visibility acts as a telematics chip for the business, helping to maintain compliance and avoid the financial losses associated with a breach. In modern cybersecurity, the advantage goes to the organization that understands its external footprint better than the adversary does. Waiting for an internal scan to find shadow infrastructure is a reactive strategy that cannot keep pace with automated botnets. By moving beyond internal blueprints and mapping the network as it appears to the world, organizations can identify and close their exploit paths before an attacker finds them.